You have to believe it for yourself. And that's what I'm experiencing. And a lot of people don't do that. They don't experience for themselves. Hey, on Fish, thank you for joining me. Let's get on with this show. I'm shooting on a GoPro Hero 10. That's my camera. One day, maybe a Hero 12. I didn't get a Hero 11 today. I believe my settings are 4K 24 at wide. Yes, indeed. As you know, I have a Logitech mic. It's got, a lower sound quality than the Rode Wireless Go. And I did a video about all my mics with the Sony ZV-1F. I also did a video about wide angle with the Ulanzi WL1. Now I'm thinking about a different type of wireless mic, a TRS mic, but I got myself a cable coming in that I am going to modify to fit my 1F. I just want something that would do the job just right. And it's very difficult out there. And that's what this video is kind of about. Well, the 1F, I didn't want to get the Z1 because of the narrowness of field of view. Sometimes you have to give and get and get. Sometimes you have to, compensate. Sometimes you have to, just get what you want to get and make it work with what you got. And that's why I got the ZV-1F over the ZV-1. So later on, do check out that video. But let me just give you one of these things. Hey, happy St. Patty's Day. It's almost here. Oh man, I can't hold the steering wheel straight. Maybe my phone is causing that wind to hit it and make me go all over the place. That lens just made my camera heavy. I'm afraid it was going to take it off the tripod. And I really didn't want to have, blurriness around my edges. I'm just going to put my camera back a little further and set my stuff up correctly with what I got. I got feet, I got arms, I could walk, I could ride, I could do things without getting all those automated things. Without getting all those gadgets and putting it on. Just get what you want to get and do what you want to do. That's what I say. So there, I got my package. It's going back in. Do I leave it like that, or do I open up the door and hope it falls in? Check it out. It's gone. Let's get on out of here for another video. I got a product to do. I'm going to get it done with the camera. I'm going to start to use my camera and get used to it. I should be happy. You know what? I beefed up that internal sound to 30 dB. Tell you what, it did just fine. The sound was nice and clear and crisp. I don't know why I had to keep it on at 12 dB and lower my Rode Wireless Go down. Maybe Sony can answer that question of what they've done. No ND filters for me, but maybe a UV protection filter with, just on there so I can protect the actual fixed focus lens. That's the lens. That's the only thing I may want to get now. And once I put that on there, my camera is well protected and off I go. That's the only gadget, gizmo I want to get besides a TRS stereo mic. I will tell you this, and don't get me wrong, an action camera has spoiled me. It sure did. And I got to get away from these action cameras. Maybe I should go get myself a Sony RXO #3 when they soon to come out. Oh, that could be a rumor. It could be just me telling you, hey, I'm only kidding. Anyways, I gotta ask Siri a question. Let me go get her on. Weather.
It's currently partly cloudy and 39 degrees.
Well, the GoPro don't work when it's 40 degrees outside and when it's dead of cold and you first start it on. I had my camera inside, and when I went out, it's already on, and I'm shooting video. And that is why GoPro works, but it's 100% in the warm stage. People say the camera overheats. So then why in the extreme cold it shuts off? Shouldn't it work when it's got an overheating issue in the extreme cold? I don't know. My hands are cold. Where's the snow? It's just still winter. On that note, I am Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. I hope you enjoyed my return. I'll catch you on another go-to video.